Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to use G++ compiler on Linux Bash shell on Windows. Now to do so or to use G++ compiler, open your Bash shell and create a directory. This directory will be the place where we will be saving all our programs. Now to create a directory, just type mkdir space name of the directory. Let's create a directory named test. Test. Hit enter. And now to make sure the directory is created or not, just type ls. You can see here are two directories, one named code which I have previously created and one in a directory named test. Now to move over to the directory test, you have to type cd space name of the directory in which you want to move in. Let's type test, hit enter. Now you can see we are inside the directory test, and if I will type a command ls, you can see nothing is happening just because this directory is empty now. Whereas if we will head to directory code and now I will type ls, you can see there are many files because this directory is created by me previously and I have already saved many files here. Now we are heading back towards the directory test. And now we will create a file. Basically we are creating a source file in which we are typing a C++ program. So to create a source file, just type nano space name of the file. Let's name the file test is .cc. This .cc extension means we are creating a source file. The cc extension stands for source file. Now let's hit enter. You can see we are inside the editor. Now inside the editor we will write a basic C++ program. We are writing a program just to print something on screen. Let's write hash include iostream using namespace std in main. Now cout the evil programmer. Return 0. This is a basic C++ program just to print this, the evil programmer, on the screen. Now we have to save this program. For saving the program in this editor, just press Ctrl plus O. You can see here we are having file name to write test.cc. Now hit enter. You see we wrote 6 lines and this program is now saved. Now just to get back and compile this, press Ctrl X. You're out of the editor, and now let's see this source file is saved or not in our directory test. To do so, type ls. ls is basically for showing the files inside the directory, or if we are not in any directory, it is used to show other directories. Now you can see here is a source file named test.cc. This means that we have successfully created a source file, and now we have to compile this source file. Now for compiling our program, we need G++ compiler. Now if you have already installed a G++ compiler on your bash shell, it's very good, but if you're not having a G++ compiler already installed, just do this. Type sudo space apt hyphen get install G++. It will ask you for your password. Just type your password, and now it's reading package list. Actually, I already have installed G++ compiler. So in my case, nothing will happen, but in your case, it will download the G++ compiler. So now we are ready for compiling our code. Now to compile your program, just type G++ space name of your source file. We have created a source file named test, so test.cc. Now G++ name of this source file space -o. Now after -o, just type the name in which you want to convert this source file into an executable file. For example, we are having a source file named test.cc and we want to create this source file into an executable file named test or run. So test.cc G++ test.cc -o space run. Now this test.cc file is a source file which will convert into an executable file named run. Now let's hit enter. You can see that we have compiled this test.cc source file into an executable file. Now to see that this code is compiled or not, we are typing ls. Now you can see here we are having a file name run without any extension, which means that it is an executable file. Now to run an executable file, just type dot backslash and name of the executable file, which is run. Now just hit enter. You can see that it's printing on the screen the evil programmer, which means that we have successfully compiled our program. And that's all about this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel too. And thanks for watching.